Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jila ubah Shakliar Wajri ula pelat pajba ya ke team song jong ke 6 Meghalaya Games ke Bajar Kerteng nyom naphang kumju ke Muscat Ukyang haka curtain Reza ke Balalong District Auditorium Jowai haka khatlai tarik ke Ralingkot ubah Shakliar Wajri haka jingkran ula banjur ke janan kam ban betingka haki jingtei ke jakaya lekai ban kentiu ki samla dak ba penpau bagi jingi lekai ki wanra ka jinglong Ryntih bat jinga teli hapdeng ki samla ula ongru ba ka sarkar jela kala bu hakmat ka jingbe tingka hagi jingte ki jakaya lekai bat ka jinga rap pisa ki senjuk ya lekai ula kedawru ka jing temu jong ka sarkar ban penan kambha ki jaka baladan lupa hagi school bat ki college haka jaka ban shna ki jaka thamai kini ki jingbe tingka kin ai jingmentoi ki jaka puli ki community hall hadian balakot ki jingalang Myntri lekai ula kedawru bagi jing temu jong ka sarkar kalong ban ai buar ki samla ban paunam hagi jing lekai omtang hagi jela henry hakarinsan jong kari baro kawe Myntri ula ai khuble ke jing trelang jong ki ofisa sarkar ki senjuk lekai bat ai khuble ru ekino lekai ki Jingpynkhreh ki jing lekai ki ban sawan shwakani president ke MSOE John F Kharshiyeng ula ong baka 6 Meghalaya Games kamdei tang ka jingkop Kadai kelumpung ban pen iya ke call shore bat ke jinglong kerpang jong ke jela bat khot weru ya ke jing trelang jong kinong shong shnong ban ai ke jing kershan ni kinong lekai bat ban penlong ya ke kelumpung kum kata masa jong ke jing keman bat jing teli hadian kini Myntri ringkat UMLA ulale jingo ke jaka bala Jingpynkhreh na kamta ke 6 Meghalaya Games kentup ke jaka lekai kumjuk ke jaka sa ke jaka bam bat penpau ke jing Sngewhun ban iya ke jing ya chakmat ke Jingpynkhreh bat ai khublei kerpang ru ya UMLA bat kabor Sngewhun district kibala persyang ban pentikna banong kibala Jingpynkhreh hashwa babaro ke jingele kai kin poi hakani ke jaka
Yes, as honor the wildlife meeting Hima, Honorable Ïohi Assembly Constituency and Chairman of Meghalaya Urban Development Authority.
Launch the logo of the 6th Meghalaya Games. We launch the theme song and the video of the 6th Meghalaya Games in July.
We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top.
Launch the official mascot of the 6th Meghalaya Games. The Meghalaya Games, like correctly mentioned by the Honorable MLA, does not only provide our youths, our athletes a platform, but it is something that we have decided that we take it to every district of our state. And through Meghalaya Games itself, most of the schools, most of the colleges, the Darbar slums, the entire district, they receive a lot of infrastructure which is to be used by them after the 6 Meghalaya Games. In particular, we have decided that our investments will not be constructing new venues, but then again making sure to use the venues which are already available in schools, in colleges, because once the 6 Meghalaya Games is over, then the schools and the colleges, the Darbar slum, they get to utilize all the investment made by the government in terms of infrastructure. But then again, like I said, it's because we have the best interest of our youths and our athletes. And we do believe that once we invest in sports, sports is something that builds a person. You become more disciplined in life. It builds character. That is one of the reasons that we look into sports, not only with the aspect not only with that aspect of sports, but then the other aspects of life as well.
Nobody will understand better than me as the MLA and the residents of the Tujuai constituency, the kind of benefits, the kind of different projects, different development we have been getting in this past few months. I think it is tremendous.
Of course, we're very happy to see that the overall progress of all the competition venues as well as the accommodation, and at the same time the dining area is all the progress is doing very well. I believe within a day or maybe 2 days everything will be done. So I'm very happy, and big thanks to Honorable MLA from here along with the district administration for putting their timeless efforts into making sure that we are ready before all our athletes reaches the venue. See, as of now, almost all everything is on schedule. So before the game starts, everything will be done. So there are a few places that the progress is still going on, but like I said, nonetheless, the overall progress is that we are satisfied with the overall progress of everything.
From the day Bakaduna, we secretary yang na baru kami Meghalaya Games di Tanzania kami dari Curtain Raiser tinggi. Hopefully pengilap peluang kini Curtain Raiser bahwa kan long kuwe ka nang ni sakman ni Ïohi ba kata ka publicity juga ya ka bamintang le ring ang scam ko pun di komiti ka bamiladon mila sedap lah kalau publicity komiti ya ba kita page punya maki ba kata ka Jingpynkhreh lah negara Jingpynkhreh pemilang ya sya le sikidon ba musim latib dan empati kata ka ikabamila publicize mangi dengan scam ke komiti ke sesiong ya kaba kinya ya ni haban pek ke kung ka jingdon ka Ïohi town di entire Western Hills district lade ka district Belakio bukun kidang di venues miladon mo Ïohi di venues bukun di school di colleges miladon di accommodation venues milapian kecata kala pakab hai ni Tenrei ya ke jingdon kam ban Jingpynkhreh kam don ke jingkeli ban ong hang tangile duna tangile bun nang ni pekat ko ka jingdon kam ka cakap nang ke la dadon ban ko don kam kum mangile shwe hang ni la dadon ke jingdon kam ba nginle be ndede bagi ong ba ni shwe nginle ba pe